All right, hey everybody, welcome back to Constantly Cruising. Will, I'm here in my stateroom on board the Enchanted Princess, and today I'm going to go over the best bets that you can make in the Princess Casino to maximize your winnings and stretch your bankroll. There's many games to play inside the casino. They've got roulette, they've got blackjack, they got Texas Hold'em, craps, and a ton of slots. But which ones are the best? Which ones will help you get the most points so that if you're looking to get a free cruise, you can do that? Or if you're looking to just maximize your bankroll so that you can play all week long, what's the best bet to make? We're going to go over that in detail right now. All right, so before we talk about the best bets for you to make in the casino, let's talk about a few of the worst that you can make. Let's start out with roulette. Now, you wouldn't think it's that bad, but an American style roulette table typically has two zeros. There's a zero and a double zero. Here on the Princess Casino, there's actually three. So there's a zero, a double zero, and then there's a third space which has the Princess logo on it that pretty much is a triple zero. Now, that zero alone takes what is a 5.2% house edge and drives that all the way up to almost a 7.7% house edge, making it one of the worst bets in the casino. Now, if that's something you enjoy, have fun, play some roulette. But just know the house edge is the greatest on that table. Let's talk about something else. The silly little claw machines that have the stacks of money at the bottom. And, it's like a claw that as a kid you'd get a stuffed animal out of. Terrible idea. Also, the machines that have the coins where you put your coin in and it pushes some of the other coins over the edge. Listen, if you enjoy it again, go after it. But no, these are very big house edge games. Along with something like scratch tickets or even bingo, these are games where the casino is raking in a very large house edge and you're going to end up losing a lot of money. If you're trying to make your bankroll spread the most over the course of the week, you're going to want to look for some other type of game. All right, so now let's talk about the best bets that you can make inside the casino. Of course, the best bet that you can make in a casino is typically on blackjack. And in the casino here on board the Enchanted Princess, the minimum table that you can sit down and play blackjack at is a $15 a hand table, and the highest one that I've seen is a $100 a hand table. Now, of course, if you go and you learn basic strategy, and you can just Google basic strategy, it'll come up with a chart. If you memorize that chart and learn how to play each hand, I mean, typically that's only a less than a 0.5% of a house edge. If you're playing perfect basic strategy, and then it's a skill you've got to practice and learn, and there are apps that you can download on your phone to learn how to do it. If you learn how to count cards, you can even create an edge over top of the house, and that's a situation where you can even make more money. But just learning the basic strategy gives you a very low house edge and allows you to stretch that bankroll out far over the course of the entire week. Craps, playing the pass line and the come bets or the don't come bet. Especially if you put down an odds bet behind it. Now, no, if you put down an odds bet behind a pass line bet, that odds bet is not going to give you any points. They don't give you points based on those bets, but you do get points based upon your pass line bet. And just playing that pass line bet is a little over a 1% house edge. Then after that, I'd say digital poker. Digital poker is about a 1% house edge if you're playing it correctly. And again, you can download apps to teach you how to do that, how to play each hand correctly. And once you learn how to play each hand correctly, about a 1% house edge. And it's a great way to earn up those points if you're trying to get a free cruise. It's also a great way to stretch that bankroll out. And depending upon which game you play, some games are very safe, like the jacks are better. And some games, like the double or triple bonus poker, give you a little bit more of that excitement of trying to get a big hit. All right, now let's talk about the slot machines, because so many people play slots on these cruise ships, and Kara's one of them. She loves playing the slots, and typically that's how we get our free cruises. She's very good at it. But you got to know a little bit how to do it. So I would suggest doing a little bit of research, watching some videos about which games to play, which ones to stay away from. You typically want to try to play more games that are like the progressive jackpots, and you'll see those on the screens. And if you're not sure what that is, Google it, and you can see different examples of which games to play. Those typically pay out better, and your money stretches a good bit further when you're playing those type of games. They also have different variations on jackpot. There's a Fun 21 that kind of has a different kind of rules to it. It's a little bit more of a house edge. And then I would just also say, if you're going to play blackjack, or if you're playing any kind of a card game, blackjack or Texas Hold'em, all those kind of games, make sure when you sit down, you're playing with where the cards are in the shoe and not an automatic shuffler. That automatically gives the greater house edge. When you have that automatic shuffler, sit down at the table where there's a shoe with whatever 3 or 4 decks in it, that they stop and shuffle manually throughout the game. Those give you a lower house edge. All right, so just to recap, best bets in the casino are, of course, playing blackjack with perfect strategy, playing Texas Hold'em, again, if you're playing it correctly. Digital poker, great game, especially for increasing your bankroll and stretching that bankroll out. Okay, and craps, playing the pass line or the don't come bets, and then putting odds down on those bets. All those are great bets. And then the ones on the side where the house has a much bigger edge would, of course, be roulette and the slot machines. So take all that into an example, or take all that into account when you're trying to figure out which games to play. And I hope you have fun. Remember, that's the most important thing, is to have fun. Don't try to, if you're trying to gamble just to gain money, the casino is always going to win. So keep that in mind. It's designed to be that way. We play and we gamble on the casino to get free cruises. And you can look at our channel if you're looking to get more information on that. What's your favorite type of game to play in the casino? I'd love to hear from you. Hit it below in the comments. Let me know. Also, like and subscribe to the channel so you can get more information on things like this, what to do in the casino, or even cruise tips and tricks. We put together those kind of videos too. We'll see you in the next video.